Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert HR file to XLS, which is old Excel format. On my computer you can see I have a HR file. It's basically history archive. It's archives that containing communication between browser and a web server, and you can see it has different parameters like HTTP version and value and which page or resources is requested, etc. And I'm gonna convert this HR file to Excel with application I will download and install from this website. I will leave name of this website into description. To find application, click on search and type HR, and which is HR converter, and I need HR to XLS. Then click on download. I will be recording more videos on HR converters on a different application that capable of converting HR file into different formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded from Google Clouds. Yeah, sometimes Google Cloud said it cannot be scanned for viruses, sometimes it's busy, but I'm storing archives on Google Cloud because it's safe. It's scanning every time you download anything from Google Cloud, and sometimes it's overloaded and it's saying, hey, I cannot scan right now, but it will scan it later, and overall make sure that archives are safe. So this is why I'm using this Google Drive, and sometimes it's given this warning, but that's okay. So I'll click on HR to XLS setup. Double click on MSI Inside Archive and click more info. I'm getting the screen from Windows. It's standard screen. It's saying that I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have XR to XLS application installed on my computer. Now let's close this, and this is in my documents. It's called audio. So close this and double click on application to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select our HR file we'd like to convert to Excel. I will click on this button. It's in my documents, so it should be right here, and click on next step. On this step I can convert specific information I would like to see. So I know that I like to see URL into Excel format, and click on next step, and the final step I will just click run. I can select everything if I want to, but it will be as big as you saw in HR Viewer. Oh, by the way, HR Viewer is a free app. It's showing what is inside of HR file, and I can convert it to Excel as well. Oh, you can see application converted Excel file. I'll double click on it. I don't have Excel on my computer, but I have like Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel, and you can see I have all URL from HR saved. All URLs from this file saved. Oh, let's go and see. I show you that Viewer. As I said, it's a free app. I will link on this app too. And basically this app was on this page. It was in the top, and I can export into Excel as well as CSV. But in this case, it will export everything, like a lot of data in here. It's cookies and a lot of things. But if I need only URL, I can export only URL, maybe URL and method, and so on. Yeah, and yeah, so basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.